Hello everyone, today I'm gonna take you to the, like they call it, Food Truck Fest in Mansfield, Texas. Alright, so follow me. It's really hot out here, guys, so I'm trying to suck it in and see if I can be able to get through this hot weather. It's like 100 degrees outside right now. So there are a bunch of trucks, food trucks. So I'm gonna go through all of them. Okay. So first we got a turkey leg stall. They got a bunch of stuff. They ran out of turkey leg. Alright, this red truck.
Now, where's the water?
What does it sell? Barbecue. Nice. Fried catfish. Oh, it's just barbecue and Cajun stuff. Fried stuff. We're gonna go through them first before we make any purchase. What is this little tiny one? Castle Top Treats. What is that? What do they sell? Oh, desserts. Oh, nice. Alright, they're not selling much, so next. Alright, the ice cream truck. Ice-shaped ice cream. Yeah, this is gonna be a hot seller right here. Man, there's a lot to go over. It's like hundreds of trucks right here. And it's by the Mansfield Vernon Newsom Stadium. Okay, here's another truck. They are selling tamale. Yeah, Mexican. Nice. Alright, I don't know how long they're gonna have this going on, but today is Saturday, so here they're selling a lot of stuff right there. A lot of pictures. Slushes, sandwiches. I don't know, I want to try some barbecue today. What do y'all think? It's so hot out here. This one says traditional comfort foods. Alright, hamburger. I see turkey leg. I'm hungry already. Alright, so if you're nearby Mansfield, come out here. It's a free event. You don't have to buy any tickets to get in. Just gotta walk in and kind of make your purchase. I mean, buy whatever you want to get. All the food of the world is right here. Oh, this one's interesting. We got fried pie. Let's look, check it out. Oh, by the way, they got a lot of those tents for you to sit down and kind of eat. Look, and the stage is right there. It's more like a pre-July 4th kind of party event. Oh, look at those pie. This one looks interesting. We'll get that one right there. Sweet tea. These, they look like fry underneath of them. Okay, here's another one. Icy stuff. Corn of the cup. Right there. Yum, yum, yum. Ah, look at this guy.
no fear, the car man is here.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Instagram, Facebook. We the best. Thank you guys. Be safe. Have fun.
All right, this one is Cajun. Same one like the other one. Oh, she got pictures right there. Miss Pearly. She must be popular. Louisiana. Pearly. Pearly B. Oh man, look at this one. They sell lemonade. Hell yes. A lot of line. It's long line. It's a good day for lemonade. Awesome. This is not crowded. It's gonna get really crowded tonight with the weather and everything. So nice and hot. Another barbecue place. Pull up pros.
No, I can't.
Yeah. It's gonna be hot for a barbecue right now. Okay, cool. Look at that pricing. 1 meat 20, 2 meat 25. These prices are high, kind of high. I'm sure it's better than Spring Creek barbecue.
Applicants were also required to have a minimum cumulative GPA of 2.7 and pursue a major or minor in visual or performing arts or participate in a college-level performing.
All right, what is this? Caribbean vibes. All right, here's what's on the menu? Oxtail. Fried catfish, that's normal. I want to check this one out later. Alright, there's another section of food trucks over here. Where they're selling. Oh, good.
Participation make him a deserving recipient. Congratulations to Mason. Our third recipient is Alexandra Hernandez. She is a 2026 graduate of Irving High School. Alexandra
that's a menu right there.
University of Texas at
Soul
Arlington
food.
with a visual arts minor. She has received multiple requirements and continues
Another
to demonstrate academic
ice and water
involvement in the
truck,
arts.
beverage
Congratulations to Christoph.
Coffee truck. Oh, yeah. Ooh, she's waving. Shake smoothie. Oh yeah, nice. Here's the yellow one. Hamburger a la food. Nice. What's up, barbecue? Oh, it looks empty. It's not ready yet. Another barbecue truck. Oh, sure it's gonna be tasty. Italian ice. Interesting. That looks like smoothie to me. What do you think? Have you guys had Italian ice? I need some of these. It's too hot for anything hot. Look at that. It looks like 7-Eleven smoothie. Oh, they got some of those samples here. And this sweet treats. Oh, yeah. Selling mainly drinks, nachos, funnel cake. Oh, yeah. All the goodies. Okay, chicken and fish. Catfish. Oh yeah. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, look at this one. They brought the whole thing out. The grill. Look at that grill. Yeah, man, that's a real deal right there. Look at that serious grill. My goodness, it's huge. Sugar kisses. What do they sell? Cinnamon buns. Oh, cobbler brownies. Cheesecakes. Man, it's a hot dog stand. Look at all those hot dogs. We're checking out the prices. Yum. Here's another barbecue truck.
Hey God!
I'll get the whole overview of this event. Look at that, how many trucks. There's like 80, 90 trucks here. It's huge. The parking lot is big. Center stage is right there. Taste of Black Mansfield. Alright folks, there you have it. If you're in nearby Mansfield or Grand Prairie, come out here. It's a food truck day, and a lot of foods, drinks, you know, for you to enjoy. Alright guys, I hope you like it and give me a thumbs up. See you on the next video then. Bye.